morning. We are going to get coffee in our sunburned state.
It's good, right?
Glad we got two.
Yeah.
Let me see. It's a facial for your legs. So,
Yeah.
you know, people go to the spa for mud baths. So, oh my gosh.
What? My sunburn?
On here it looks so bad. But your arm looks very good. Hiking day. Well, more of a walk. We are at yunque. Oh my gosh.
Alright, hold it like this. And go ahead. One. One.
Did a rope swing into the water and my nail popped off. Hannah?
What? Oh, hi.
You good? Is it the coffee?
Yeah. Oh, tomorrow though we're having coffee, aren't we?
You don't have to get coffee. Maybe they have decaf.
Yeah. I like decaf.
It's a little muddy.
It's so big. Oh my god. The horses.
Way back, my friend made the tour guide stop because she had to pee.
The worst place I've seen is on a highway. I've even the media.
Hello, everyone. It is
We are tired.
maybe a little hungover. We had
Possibly.
a really big drink.
Let me know how the people who are older than us in our group are surviving
I don't know.
and rallying to go out again. I think Corona just killed us in that way.
I don't know, but we're weak.
Yes.
But that's okay. That's fine. I'm happy to be
Accept
weak.
in this state.
Yeah.
It's who we are.
I think we're probably just like dehydrated because we're so sunburnt. And then I got a huge mojito. Huge. Oh my god, it was so generous.
Like literally, like that big.
Yeah. So we went on hiking
I mean, it was
today.
tricky.
We went to yunque today.
Yeah, really cool. Our tour guide was so sweet. Super cool. He let me use his bathroom at his house, which was very kind because I have a bladder problem.
You don't.
I just
You just have a small bladder.
just have anxiety.
Ordered a burger and a truffle mac and cheese down the street, so we're gonna go pick that up and then eat it on the beach, I think. Yeah, I need something to make me feel better. Our group that we went with is all going out to a gay bar tonight, but they're going at like 11.
Yeah.
I-
We're like
I-
babies. I feel like we have to.
Okay,
go.
no, in college, like we would start going out at like 8.
I know. I can't do that anymore. I'm like a 5 p.m. or in bed by 8. I think
I'm
Corona
just saying,
really-
even no, in college I went out at like 8.
Oh, earlier you mean
Yeah.
than what they're? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a generational thing.
Yeah, we'll say that. Because no, people like that was
We're Corona generation.
well, maybe because at tech like that was when the happy hour was like 7 to 9, so people always wanted to do the happy hour.
Actually, I think I was
Versus-
always home by midnight. Like people who tell me stories that they were like, I was out till like 5 a.m. I'm
Not
like,
a lot of people. No, they usually
people
go.
who say that story, I'm kind of like, oh god,
Nothing good
I
ever
can't-
happens
yeah.
after like 2.
I cannot do that.
So-
How are you managing?
Anyways, we have an intense hike tomorrow. Like I'm pretty sure it's gonna be quite hard.
Yeah.
So going out probably isn't in our best interest. I think it's gonna be a fun day tomorrow. It's gonna be intense.
Yes.
And my sister's coming tonight. She's going to be here at 9. She lands at 9. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up our burger
Burger.
and eat it on the beach. We're still super sunburnt.
Yeah, I'm like scared of the sun now.
At least we've been in the forest for the past 2 days, so hopefully that's helping. I don't know. We've tried some Puerto Rican food. It's been very good. Today I tried.
Your eating was good. I forget what it was called.
Mama post. I don't know. It was like Mama
Dado?
I don't know.
We should look that up.
Yeah, I'll put the word here. But it was like a rice with cheese and beef, and then the morning we had the cheese thing, casitos. I think that's what it's called. It was like
it was really good.
Yeah, it was like a cheese pastry dessert.
But
breakfast.
It's kind of like if you put a cheesecake, like the filling of a cheesecake inside like a puff pastry with like a caramel topping over.
Yeah, I would say it is kind of like a croissant, but like a sweet croissant.
Yeah, exactly. It was so yummy.
Yeah, it was really good.
I'm not having coffee. I was so anxious during the whole hike. Like my inner thoughts were like,
yeah.
I can't.
She got coffee and I told her not.
I just wanted to try. I wanted to see if I could.
And they didn't have
overcome my
decaf. That was
anxiety.
weird though.
Yeah.
Usually places, especially if it's just like a coffee shop. Yeah.
I feel like outside of America, that's not as common.
Really?
I don't know. That's how I feel, but maybe not. But yeah, I can't do coffee. Obviously, it makes me really jittery and gives me intrusive thoughts.
My sister's not gonna like the coffee here because it's not sweet coffee.
She'll just get like a.
Well, good thing I got her like a huge thing of vanilla. She'll just put all that in. She'll use that creamer as just like milk. I'm serious. She can go through that thing in like 2 days. It's disgusting. Oh, I'm really hoping this food makes you feel better. I got a Coke. And I'm really hoping it's like a good Coke, not like a US Coke. I hate the Coke in US.
You know, in Utah, they put like creamer in the Cokes.
Yeah, I've seen those.
With like lime. I kind of want to taste it. We should do a tasting. I've heard it's good.
Not right now.
Not right now. Maybe back in the US.
Yeah. But also, I just think the US Coke is just like subpar. European Coke, Coke from Mexico.
Yeah.
A lot better. Okay, we're gonna go get food. Okay, it's probably very windy, but we're at the beach eating a hamburger and mac and cheese, truffle mac and cheese. So good, and it's so peaceful out. This is the night. This is the type of night I like. Mason's coming. Woo. My sister is gonna be here in a minute. I'm gonna go greet her. Couldn't figure out the door, apparently. She's here. Hello. What?
I hate that you said that.
Hello.
Oh. Hi.
Hello. This way.
Feels just like Florida.
Does it?
Yeah. Am I closing this?
Yeah. It locks. Okay. There's so many.
Ooh, outdoor shower.
Just for your feet.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Hannah. Yeah, those are like the exact goggles I got.
Really?
Yeah, and I almost got
Are you going from Walmart?
Publix. I almost got this little thing too. Stop filming me. She hasn't taken the camera off of me.
It is 10, almost 11. It's almost 11. We're gonna go to sleep because we have an early morning. My sister got here. She unpacked. We have a big day tomorrow of hiking. So, how did I even get a cut on my foot? Oh, I hit the bed. That's why. Okay, good night. Today we had a private hiking tour because other people canceled, which was awesome.
That's a green iguana. That's a couple of ones. Yeah. So it's like
There's so many iguanas and lizards in Florida.
I know for a fact, like over here, I used to rock climb like crazy. You got this spot right here. This sector is called. You ate the pink one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently this is an influencer picture spot. What do we think? Our second stop was to one of the oldest coffee shops in Puerto Rico. Hana does not like chicken.
I know how to pick them up that way.
Oh, the lizards. You're a cutie. We sat down and got coffee. Thank you.
What are the spikes inside?
It's part of the tree. No, you can touch them, but be careful. You
She said we can hold them.
Yeah, carry them on. We made it to our first waterfall on the hike. Look at this amazing view. This is Scrappy, who's a stray dog, and he's following us on our hike. He's so cute. Getting some pics for Instagram. Good boy. We're about to have some pineapple and mango. Yum. Here on the hike. That's the giant waterfall behind us, and we just had some fruit. Where are you jumping in from?
Probably like that wall.
Do you want to make sure there's no rocks, or?
Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure. Heads up.
Shallow.
I'll be careful.
Once you go, bring your feet up.
Okay.
Let me go as far as you can.
Okay. Oh yeah, maybe right here. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I can't see.
Are you gonna go in, Hannah?
You coming?
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, you're in the way.
Huh? Oh, this way.
You go first. Feels so amazing. Cool. How cool is that?
they come out and they don't change.
We love water, so
Yeah.
it's our
Water's-
thing.
All water babies.
I'm a water person.
Yeah.
I don't know if you did this when you were a kid, but I used to like fill up like a filler and just go in there and stay there for hours. Yeah.
I was really convinced for the longest time that I was a mermaid, that it would happen to me.
I was for a while too. Yeah. What are you saying?
It's from H2O.
I watched it.
No, you didn't.
I don't know.
One of them is just rice and chicken. I don't know which one it is. That's the one. I think it's that one. And this is only hot sauce and
진짜 아름답게 말하고 잘했어요.
Dale, no te voy a poner. Tranquila, te amo, bye.
안녕. And her accent, like, is
Really?
she has no accent. Like, it sounds like Korean.
Yeah, it's
That's why I couldn't speak for a second. I wasn't expecting that. I was.
I don't know. Yeah.
I promise.
Oh, yeah.
Do I look like a grandma? With the visor. So do I look like a grandma? Maybe I won't get honked at. Macy will. We're back from our tour today. Hiking excursion. You most likely see some cats and kittens on the street. They get fed though. Yeah, a woman feeds them. You can see. Yeah, there's a ton.
Weirdly, like, I had never seen cats.
No, it was orange, black, and white. Oh. I wonder if I should get my goggles. Okay, I'll do that. Oh my gosh. There. Can they just go out?
What?
I'm just like, can they go out?
There's no way they're not drunk. Like, how are...
No. We have people above us now and they're quite loud. It's midnight, so.
Are you trying to sing?
Who do you think she's talking to? Who's she always talking to?
Oh, I thought it might be James. It's either James or the vlogging camera.
We got dinner. Wasn't great.
That really changed the events of the night.
I
So
saw,
we were kind of
saw
like, wow.
Dominic fight though.
He was giving nothing. His energy was so lame.
I was in love with him.
Yeah.
What?
His energy?
Who are you talking
it was
about?
So
He
hot.
was giving us nothing.
What are you talking about?
Like, he was just not.
Who's he?
Oh my god.
Riley.
The waiter who switched between.
Oh.
The hot man with the
No.
blondish hair.
I don't know.
Dyed bleach hair.
Hmm.
Just like Dominic Fike.
I feel like
Who's
He's
that?
A little different though. He's a singer, Riley.
Okay,
And
sorry.
he's in Euphoria.
for my first impression.
I don't know. When we locked eyes, it was like magic.
It was like,
We had a fun dinner though. It was funny.
Yeah, it was very
we
fun.
were having fun.
No one else
We
was.
were having a great time.
Yeah.
It was before that all of the day hit us.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then
Yeah.
suddenly, after, when was it that we all just shut up? We were all like,
After we ate,
Yeah.
yeah, and then we were like,
Yeah.
okay, we're ready to go home.
I think we were like hangry and then ate and then we're like, okay, we're good.
Yeah.
And then Buddy was like, you're done now. You're
Yeah.
done.
Let's
Let's take it down a
settle
notch.
down.
Take it down. I usually take a nap. Yeah, we did a lot of activities today. The swimming in the ocean with the big waves was fun. I like that. I feel like a little kid when I do that. Don't you?
Oh my god, look how crowded.
Where is it?
That's like where they went out tonight.
I can't.
Not do that.
Nope. I'm sorry. I do not like huge crowds like that. Hannah was showing me a picture of what it looks like right now, like downtown, and it's packed like sardines.
Yeah.
Downtown here?
Yeah.
There's so many people.
Like,
So
it
glad
just.
we didn't get
Yeah. My vibe is definitely like a
I don't
small.
like too many people out.
Yeah. I like a small little bar or something.
Yes,
where
yeah,
there's
those
like
are my
games and
favorite.
stuff.
Yes, those
Yeah.
are literally my favorites.
Gosh, yesterday when Hannah and I were walking to dinner. I pick up our food. We saw a huge pile of vomit on the ground. It was
Yeah,
so
we were walking to
disgusting.
pick up our food.
And then shortly after, there's poop
Yeah.
on the sidewalk.
Like
Not like dog poop.
everybody's gonna watch your YouTube video just to see. Just to hear
YouTuber
you
finds
say.
human poop on street, mistakes it for dog food.
The first thing that comes up when you look up brightly done.
I'm her new PR.
Oh god.